Webloom complete tutorial for beginners step by step. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use Webloom website builder to create our own website. Basically it's pretty easy, so let's get started. They provide us the opportunity to customize, as you can see, more than 300 ready to use templates. So all we need to do is just to visit their website webloom.com. So here we can click on log in and create our account. I'm just going to click on start for free because I already have an account. So after that we'll come to our home page where we can find a lot of stuff. In the left side there is websites, collections, domain. We can also add a friend, refer a friend here, and the trash where we can find a lot of our projects we successfully deleted. So the most useful folder is of course websites, where we can find our websites we created. So as you can see I have one of them here. How can we edit? We can click on edit here. We can go to settings, find some general info, site statistics, store payment methods and shipment, and we can also rename, duplicate, add some contributions, add to collection, site history, or move to trash. So let's click on move to trash and we'll create one more website from scratch. We need to click on create a site right up here, and after that we'll come to this page where we can find a lot of different templates. We can divide them into different categories like sport, lifestyle, store, industrial and manufacturer, and so on. So in this case, let's try to find something which is interesting. As for me, I think I'm going to customize this template here. So we can simply click on preview, view how does it look like as for us. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Let's go back, and now here we need to click on start editing this page. So it may take a little time, it depends on their servers capacity and so on. So let's wait for a little, and as you can see now our website looks like this. And what is interesting, in the top of the screen we have some options. We can go to site settings, we can find general info, site statistics, store, add some payment methods, shipment, blog, domains, integrations, and multilingual site, and of course some custom mode. So this toggle menu helps us to switch between different settings. I think site statistics and general info are the most important. Also we can find some help, and we can publish this website by simply clicking on this publish option right up here. Also we can switch between different pages on this place here. We can click on it, and as you can see we have 5 pages here: home, about, tour, single tour, and contacts. So we can simply click and then just move to the necessary page where we want to change. So now we are on about page, so let's go back to home, and as you can see this is our editor basically, where we can customize every single part. So for example, we need to change our logo, change something like this. We can just simply click on logo settings, and here we can upload a new one, or we can replace it with text. So I'm just going to replace it with text, and I want to change the text like a helper man. Let it be not tours, like tutorials. So we can customize every single part. We can make it bold, make it italic, make it underline. So there are a lot of options we can change. There is text color option, and what is more interesting is that we have even AI writing option. We can ask the AI to write something for us. It looks like it's like ChatGPT integration or so on. So in this case we can customize every single part. We can change the image here, we can add some element, we can change the settings of the background, change the advanced, and as you can see every single part here is customizable. All we need to do is just to hover and then just click on element settings right up here. So as you can see, this is our button group settings. Here we can switch the order, or we can just simply click on button, we can delete it or do some other stuff, or we can add button if we need. So this is a way of how can we deal with buttons basically. Also we can add some blocks here if we need, so we can just simply click on add block, and as you can see there are a lot of different templates we can use, with store templates, features, gallery. So let's add some features. Maybe I'm going to use, maybe I think this template is pretty good. why choose us. So I'll click on it, and as you can see, the new blog was successfully added, and this is a way of how can we add different blogs. So in order to publish our website, we need to click on publish basically, but let's customize a little bit more. So for example, here we can click on this icon, we can change icon if we need, we can find a lot of stock images, and it's easy to use. We don't have to like download it by ourselves, or we can upload, of course, if we need, or we can simply use, for example, this one here. So as you can see, we can also change the icon size, actions, advanced, and so on. So this is a way of how can we deal basically with elements. And in this case, we are able to change every single part here. When everything is done, we can just simply click on publish in the right top corner, and it may take a little time. Hold on, we are publishing your website. So in a few seconds, everything will be done, and it will be like uploaded successfully to the World Wide Web. We may just wait for a little. It also depends on their capacity. So yeah, let's wait. Maybe a few seconds more. Yeah. So there's also like option for promo codes. I'll try to add one. If you're interested in working with Weblium, you can try to find the link in the comments or in the description. So I'll just leave it right up there. So it still doesn't work. Let's try to re-upload our page. Maybe now it will work as for us. Yeah, let's try to click on publish once more. And yeah, as you can see, our website was successfully published, and now we can even visit it using this website here. As you can see, our icon was successfully changed, and for example, the name of like our company was successfully changed. So it helps us to publish our website with this domain, or we can simply connect your own domain to the website, or we can even buy it easily on like Webloom. So there is like some paid options here. As you can see, they have like two plans, like free plan, as you can see, free forever, and the website pro annually plan. It looks like this, and the biggest difference is in like products in the store, number of site backups, and so on. Also like bandwidth, storage, and with free domain for 1 year, SEO and marketing tools, hiding a mention of the builder on your site, or adding your custom code. So as you can see, the price is not that high, so it's pretty like affordable as for you. So you can decide if you're going to use Webloom, and then just you can buy the paid plan. So this is a way of how can we deal with Webloom.com. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.